Introducing the new VH7B video wall panel from LG Commercial Display. As you're about to discover, it has lots of great features, but the one we're most proud of is the narrowest bezel in the industry, with a bezel-to-bezel size of less than 2 millimeters. That means that you can now assemble beautiful video walls that are virtually seamless. There's also image gap reduction to align your fast-moving video so you can enjoy all the action. And the IPS technology assures superior color accuracy and image uniformity over viewing angles as wide as 178 degrees. It's perfect for large areas, such as lobbies. But the stunning picture quality is only part of the VH7B story. It also has an optimized onboard quad-core system on chip, plus storage capacity of 8 gigabytes with the power to play a wide variety of content without the need for an external media player, for a cleaner setup that also reduces the total cost of ownership. And LG's exclusive Web OS user interface is as intuitive as it is innovative. While LG's software development kit will let you customize how you use your display and what your customers see, even when it's idle. Its web-centric platform also enables many state-of-the-art features. It supports HTML5, so you can create apps that work on any platform or device. And you can manage your video wall remotely from any mobile device with a compatible web browser. What about connection? Control commands can be distributed over your local area network across all daisy-chain connected panels. Video control, system monitoring, and even firmware updates are now faster and more convenient than ever. Classified in-out ports help simplify connection. The 8 control buttons on the panel also make it simple to perform common tasks like switching video inputs and calling up the on-screen display. The included guide bracket also improves the flatness between different connected panels, so your video wall will be clean and absolutely breathtaking. Ready to find out how great the LG VH7B will look within your